Hello and welcome back to the next episode of our new construction series. I'm your local Calcaney real estate agent, Kimberly Goffrin, and I'm joined once again by my colleague, Joe Grosser.
Hi.
Thank you. All right, so today we're back at Pierpont Hill here in North Haven, Connecticut, and we're here to talk about the next major phase of construction, which is the rough plumbing and electrical and preparing for insulation. So Joel, can you expand a little bit on what we see going on here?
So probably in the background you're seeing all the walls are open. So the framing process has happened, the unit is sided, it's windowed, it's roofed. So what we come in and do next is, as Kimberly mentioned, the rough plumbing and the rough electric and preparing for the insulation. So that's what we're going to be looking at next. In the next episode, you'll see insulation and moving to the sheetrock stage.
Yes, so that'll be exciting. But in the meantime, Joel's going to show us around really quickly.
Okay, so here we have rough plumbing, and we're in the kitchen area of the house. And right here you see we have a very flexible product. It's usually called Aquapex. No more copper in the house. Copper is pretty expensive, and this product here allows the plumber to work a lot faster, and it's just a wonderful product. And this wall is what we call a duct chase wall, and this product here, fabricated metal and insulated. This is your main, what we call the chases for the house, the main ductwork. So this is going to take heating and cooling from the basement up through the center area here and disperse heating and cooling throughout the first floor and the second floor. Okay, right here we have what we call a pre-fabricated fireplace. All right, so these systems are really cool because you can get any style you want, any size you want, and they literally create the wall space for it. They fit it in, and it exhausts directly to the outside. And this one happens to be gas. Most of them are gas fired today. And it'll finish out with your choice of a mantle, some kind of surround, and a hearth. Very cool.
That's awesome. Thanks for showing us around. I really appreciate that. So what timeline can a buyer typically expect for something like this?
Okay, so from the time the foundation goes in the ground and the framers come, it probably takes about a week or so for the house to be framed. Right? Usually the week after we'll start to see the roofers come in. That can take about 2 days to get the roofing done. If windows are on site, usually a house like this, probably a day or two to do the windows and the doors. And then the siding probably takes about another 2 or 3 days. Usually you can actually hear them out there working right now as we speak. They come in with a crew, and they usually get these things done pretty quickly. It's amazing. You were to sit here and watch how quickly it all happens.
That's very interesting. And would a buyer have any responsibility throughout this time period of this phase, or are they pretty much hands-off?
It's pretty much hands-off. The only responsibility they have is at that initial meeting when they come in and walk with the electrician.
Okay.
In case they want to add some lighting in places or extra outlets or things like that.
Gotcha.
And
All
that's
right.
it.
Well, that makes total sense. Very nice. Well, thank you for that quick explanation. In the next week's episode, we're going to be talking about putting in the insulation and putting up the sheetrock. All right. Well, if at any point you had any questions during this time, you can always leave a comment down in our comment section, or you can message me directly for more information. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned in for next week.
Great. Thank you.